There's a whole other world. Enter the world of darkness is what I'm saying.
Hey, look at that one! Just kidding. I'm in my home. And I'm esteemed bird guy, Charlie Wickman. Now I've been into birds ever since I could talk. In fact, here's a picture of me in my earlier bird days. You can tell I'm into birds because of the eagle on my shirt. Birds are fascinating. In fact, let's look at the common ground sparrow. It's quoted on Wikipedia that the common ground sparrow's singing call is beer, 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 wee, 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 wee. Birds. One of the things about birds that intrigues me most is them fighting each other. I have done countless hours of research over who would win in the fight between a peacock and a turkey, just because they're so darn similar. Now, in a real article I found a like-minded person. And right under the section, "Can hunting peacock is crime?" we find the answer. And it's, a turkey can surely not be able to knock down a peacock, but at least it can make it fly away from the arena. Now, to verify these claims, I have to call famous bird expert Nathan Kender.
Hello?
Hey Nathan, who would win in a fight between a peacock and a turkey?
I don't know. Why are you calling me?
You're the bird guy. You know about birds.
No, I don't.
What are you talking about? Back in middle school, you used to talk about birds all the time.
Are you okay?
Come on, Nathan. You know about birds? Come on, give me an answer.
Why did you call me? I haven't talked to you in like years. I don't know anything about birds.
Thank you, Nathan. You've been a big help. I'll call you later, okay?
Okay.
Okay. It was the turkey, by the way. Okay, bye. He's my friend. It was the turkey, and he would have said that if yeah. We're friends.
Hi, today we're going to interview Wally the elephant. Wally.